Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 16th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on gold, we're getting very close to that 261% Fibonacci extension that I've been talking about for at least a week or so now, right around the 4,310 area. Now, it doesn't really have to stop there, but to me, that does seem very likely to be a area of resistance, especially because we are likely in a wave three on all the higher time frames. Now, I definitely would still be recommending longs only. Even if this does make a little bit of a pullback, I would expect to see at least a double top here before and a break of structure before I would even think about sorting it. And like I said, I would have to see the break of structure down because there is a chance that it just keeps on trending up. And it could definitely go to the 361% for all we know. So definitely still looking for logs in an uptrend, and there's really no reason otherwise to think that this move up is complete yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.